Hey guys, so you know we are jerk piece of chicken and we see one breadfruit right or so. So you know say yeah we want a roasting breadfruit there. Yeah. See drop a ground there. Oh wait there. Oh see it right or so. So yes guys, you see? Yeah, one nice sexy roasting breadfruit. So we're gonna do with piece of chicken, jerk chicken.
Lovely one, see it there?
It's
Yellow
very
heart,
lovely.
beautiful.
Hey, yellow heart, you know yellow heart breadfruit nice. Yeah, so I'll show you guys when I'm putting it on the grill. Yeah. So yes guys, here is the breadfruit we just picked. So Shana take out the breadfruit out already, but you know you have to go one of the hole on the top. One X, see X there. On the top to make the the stain, the excessive stain drain out. So we're so you're gonna make a little fire to roast it.
Yeah.
So it's gonna make a little fire to roast it. I thought you were gonna roast it on the grill.
No, I'm not gonna roast it.
So guys, he's gonna roast it a different way from what I think. He's gonna make a little fire and roast it the Jamaican style, the Jamaican way. You see it? So see breadfruit here, yeah. Nice yellow breadfruit in a night, yeah. One nice so. I'm gonna show you the chicken. The chicken smells so amazing. So these are the sticks. He's preparing the stick to start the fire to roast the breadfruit. Okay. So it's gonna make the fire in the grill right here. Yep. So in the meantime, I might make up the fire. Let me go and show you what I go on the grill. So see grill, yeah. Ooh. So we have some nice jerk chicken. Shadow want turn. You think I want turn now? Alright, so this is the jerk chicken. Well seasoned to the bone, yes. Well seasoned to the bone jerk chicken. Yeah. Yeah man. That look like all my thing, but yeah. So yeah man, well jerk chicken seasoned to the bone. Yep. You want to smell it, it smells nice guys. In fact the glass turn already turn it. Because he's cooking it on slow fire guys, so that's the reason why. Yeah man. So I'll show you when him done make up the fire and stuff like that. So I'll catch you guys. So yes guys, you see natural fire. This a fire we're gonna put the breadfruit on it up. Same as I say, yeah. Real natural fire. And you look on it with the way you see. Them wood they are real natural. Yeah. So yes guys, here is the breadfruit that we just picked just not too long ago. It will go on the fire.
That's what they say if you set first.
Yeah man, right there, so I saw if it set. Yeah man, I saw if set. So you see the breadfruit guys? Real Jamaican style, real Jamaican breadfruit. Nah man, the good man. See fire and eat it the same way. You know, when you put your breadfruit, you know you have to see like a smoke. But you start seeing less and less smoke anyway, so. Sorry, breadfruit guys, a nice yellow heart roasting breadfruit. So from the breadfruit to the jerk chicken. Take up that thing, guys. So yes guys, he might chop up. You see this how it tough, guys? A real Jamaican. I don't remember what they call it out there, but harder stick. Because I don't say harder stick, I say.
Abandon that brown detail.
Then son, yeah, me say wood. I stick, me should have said, me know Jamaican and like when we say wood, but wood. I don't know why people always call them a stick. Them a look like a stick, guys. Look on the big old piece of sitting over here, so. That look like a stick. That look like wood to me. I don't care what nobody want to say. Them are chip. Them there look a chip. Yeah, take them up. The chip we used to make to build the fire. Sean, you put too much chip.
You can't come on.
But I burn out still, guys. Yeah, because the fire. Yeah. Must see breadfruit there, breadfruit that go on with a bag of things, you know, guys. Look funny. Woo. So guys, you know somebody did that hold the phone the wrong way. But anyway, you wanna see breadfruit there? The breadfruit are going with a bag of things. Yeah man. This is how we Jamaican roast breadfruit. From wood fire or stick fire, whichever way you want to call it, you know. I don't say wood fire. Because I bake. Wood. I be with me see and I breadfruit and a lie. Yeah. It's true, get on. Yeah man, it's small, but yeah. I also can show an every place to, you know.
Yeah, people there hang out with unruly, you know.
See?
They up on the block.
Yeah.
Yeah. Jerk some chicken and roast some breadfruit, you know, twist style.
Yep. It don't know.
Hard man thing. About what
them want go on in the grill, them man.
About
Yeah, we are catch a back in fire, man. We are catch a back in fire, man. We are catch a back in fire, man. Yeah, we are awake if fire gone sleep, so you know, say, Sean, you think your breadfruit want to turn a little bit now. So you know, say we have one nice yellow hot breadfruit right as upon the grill, you see me? Yeah, man, nice yellow hot breadfruit with there roasting at night, yeah. You see me in a Friday night.
Number one breadfruit that man.
We say about breadfruit, Joe.
Number one breadfruit is a Cascade, you see.
Yeah, man.
Nowhere, I can't go nowhere else and get them type of breadfruit. That's straight yellow hot breadfruit.
Yeah, man. Straight. Bike here, go down the road. So yes guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You don't know, this is a girl Anuli Shana, and if you have not yet subscribed, go and subscribe to my channel Anuli Shana, you see me? So tonight I'm back again with another outdoor cooking. Me and Shana, you don't know the whole family there. So I say, so yeah, today I roast some breadfruit as we show you earlier when I pick it and all them things there. So yeah man, today roast some breadfruit and we are jerk some chicken. So I'm going to show you when I put the chicken on the grill. So as I was saying before guys, I have the jerk chicken well seasoned to the bone. Jamaican style jerk chicken. Look at that guys. Seasoned right to the bone. So right now I'm going to put this on the grill. So catch me back when I put the pan in the grill and I'll show you guys. So yes guys, here is the jerk chicken. So we're gonna put this on the grill, but before the breadfruit needs to be turned, so go over to Sean. You know, yeah, Sean is gonna turn the breadfruit for us.
Yeah, alright, there with unruly Shana. How much of the breadfruit? Yeah, man. I don't know. Yeah, makes she burn up our finger, and so we have to deal with the breadfruit here. You see it?
Here, guys, I'm putting on the jerk chicken. As you tell us, jerk chicken here, finger licking to the bone, unruly Shana style, yeah? Jerk chicken. So we're here on an outdoor cooking adventure. Yeah, so we're here tonight. I'm gonna grow some breadfruit and drink some chicken. You see? Yeah, man, unruly Shana style. Finger licking to the bone. Look funny. Come on. Smell that smell so wonderful. Oh,
Yeah, man, great, man.
yeah, man. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go over to Unruly Shana and subscribe for a lot more outdoor cooking adventure videos.
Yeah, man. Big up unruly Shana, man. Done, man. There with the unruly, I go and match up the breadfruit and the chicken. Not normal tonight, man.
Yeah, nice! 100%.
Ready.
Alright, so guys, here is the breadfruit. We take it off the fire already. So, you know, we have it right here, so just like go on, you know, keep warm. So here is the chicken. So we're gonna turn the chicken one more time. Well juicy and nice. And I have to work that. Juice. Each piece is juicy and nice and very flavorful. That's how we Jamaican jerk fruit chicken. If we have jerk chicken and not taste, we love food and with taste. And well done. So yeah, man. So remember to subscribe, like, and share this video. Yeah, man. Jerk chicken and roast breadfruit. Like that, man. So we show you the finishing product.
Yes, guys, we there go and peel up the breadfruit, you know, because you see it there, roast nice. So I peel it up and get them sliced up.
one
eat
thing
her
me I
run out
tell
of
you, you
that
know.
way.
Real yellow heart breadfruit. Look how it look yellow and nice, man. So me I say real yellow heart breadfruit. You see
Yeah,
it?
man.
Yeah, man. Yellow and nice. No say that I go sweet. Like butter. I just put a full of butter.
I think get too cold, you know, so I'm gonna slice it up yet. Till when we're ready for eat. Soon as the chicken finish, we come back and take out the heart and slice it up, you know? Cover it up and let's go ahead and simmer. Guys, me I go take out the heart and just slice it up along. Chicken almost finished, so let's get everything ready and wait for the chicken, you know? Look at the move. See the crab, they're ready to eat.